Welcome to Orders. This is where all of your baking orders live and where Whisk Manager really starts to shine. Whether orders come in from your inquiry form, your My Shop page, or you're entering them manually, everything is organized right here in one place. From the Orders area, you can search and filter by customer name, order status, order type, or payment stage, making it easy to see exactly what's coming up and what needs attention. Each order stores all of the important details in one place: customer information, event details, inspiration photos, notes, messages, and payment tracking, so you're never hunting through emails or DMs again. You can record deposits and payments, track balances automatically, and use the client portal to share details, collect approvals, and accept payments online. Let's break down how to create orders, manage timelines, track payments, and keep every order moving smoothly from inquiry to pickup or delivery. The first step is the order coming in. A client can submit a form through your website using the Whisk Manager embedded inquiry form or directly through your Whisk Manager My Shop page. You can also manually enter an order by clicking New Order or use the Import option to upload a PDF order you already have. Whisk Manager will automatically pull the information from that file and transfer it into a new order form for you. No matter how the order comes in, this is the order form it will use. We do offer a basic form option if you prefer something simpler and don't need all the details. But honestly, what fun is that? Let's start with a manual entry. When you create a new order, this is the full order form you'll see. It's designed to capture everything you need in one place, from client information and event details to pickup or delivery preferences and dessert specifics. You'll also notice an option in the top corner to switch to a basic form. This gives you a simplified version of the order form if you don't need all the details. And if you decide you want the full experience again, you can switch right back. The full form is where the magic happens. It keeps all the important information organized so nothing slips through the cracks. Once you've entered all of your basic client and event information, we move on to desserts. This section can be as detailed or as simple as you'd like. Let's start with cakes. When you select cake, you'll be able to choose the number of tiers, then enter details for each tier like size, flavor, filling, and icing. You can link recipes to track your costs, select inventory items used for this order, and add item pricing. From there, you can apply design complexity, personalization, packaging fees, rush fees, taxes, or any custom fees you charge. You'll also find sections to add important event contacts, allergy and dietary flags, which will be highlighted directly on the order, labeling requirements, spelling confirmations, packaging inserts, file uploads for inspiration photos, and internal order notes. Everything lives in one place, so you have all the details you need from inquiry to delivery. Decorative cookies have their own fully customizable order form. This is the default layout you'll see, but you can edit and tailor every part of it inside Cookie Tools. From dough type and packaging to cookie sets, quantities, pricing, decorating techniques, icing colors, dry times, and proof status, everything is designed to capture the details decorators actually need. Just like with cakes, you can keep this simple or go incredibly detailed. Whisk Manager adapts to how you work. Once you have an order, it will show up right here. You can also use the PDF import tool if you're working from an existing order. And if a customer fills out your form online, it will automatically appear here for you. No manual entry required. Once you create an order, a client portal and client account are automatically created. You can learn more about both in our Managing Clients tutorial.